Good morning everyone. My name is Himaja. Today I would like to share my opinion on this institute. Firstly, my institute name is SR Spoken English Institute. I have been coming to this institute for 1.5 months. Before I came to this institute, I had a lot of doubts. How they teach English in 45 days, whether I can understand or not. Basically, I know the basic English, but I don't know where to use and how to use. And also, I don't know how to frame the sentence. But when I came here, the sir way of explaining was too good. Means he explains everything in a point-to-point manner. Moreover, he takes the real-time examples for us. By this, we can easily understand. Moreover, when we hear something, we may get forget. But when we see the actions, it takes time to forget for a long time. Moreover, we are not proper in English because of the lack of practice. But here they give the main preference for the practice session. By this, we can easily communicate with each other and we are habituated to the English. Moreover, we improve our communication skills. Not only here, they give the more preference for the practice session, and also they conduct many activities like seminars, speech, quiz competitions and fluency competitions, jam meetings, so on. By this, we are very practiced here. Now coming to the sir, my lecturer name is the Gandhipalam Srinivas sir. He teaches everything in a point-to-point manner. He gives real-time examples, and moreover, he does not teach only our material. He teaches us to how to succeed in our life and how to overcome fear in our life and how to face problems in our life. He motivates us, he inspires us in every session of the class. And coming to our mentors, Anita ma'am and Ramya ma'am and Ravindra sir, they are also very motivates us in every class. Being we are beginners of learning English, they supports very much to us. And in my personal opinion, I never participated in any competitions like seminar, speech in my schooling and college because of my stage fear. But when I came here, they are very motivated to me. From the day one, I improved myself by day. I did overcome by my stage fear now. And thank you so much, sir, and my mentors. And I would like to say thank you for my friends because I would like to talk about them after the class. They are motivated me, and if I make any mistake, they are correct myself, and they give guidelines for my future. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for giving this opportunity to share my opinion on this institute. Thank you so much.